Hello. No, I'm not doing that. That's too creepy, that is. What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're transplanting my old stuff out of this dusty old fecker of a case into a brand new Cooler Master, whatever the hell that is, H500P. I know what I bought, honest. I bought this from a computer fair locally, and it was, I don't want to hold it mic busy. I bought it for the fact that the water cooler that I also got with it will not fit in this thing because of this big fan, and there's nowhere to mount it. So I've got this, and then that's going to go into the top of that. So let's get into it. Right then, let's get the new case open. I haven't actually looked at this properly yet. Like I said, got this from a computer fair, and he's done a good job of sticking it up. There we go. Oh. We've got a box of tricks. What's in here? Accessory box. What's in the accessory box? Cable. Oh, that's nice. They provide cable ties, screws. I don't know what that was. I don't know if that's anything supposed to be there. Cables and that's not bad. Nice that they provide that. There's the little thing that's just on that, so you can get it. That's useful. I'm gonna have to. There you go. This thing is not light at all. Oh. Although that's a nice touch, having that little bag to help me get it out. I like that. Very good. We get a 10 out of 10 and an A for effort. Cooler Master. Oh, look at it. I'll try and get it out. Hang on. I'm going to grab hold of it. Yeah. Cooler Master bag. This is not a light case by any stretch of the imagination. The grand reveal. Whoa. That did not go well. Yeah, there we have it. Got two 200mm RGB fans in the front, and apparently there's a controller and stuff that you can mess about with it. There's RGB headers as well, I think. Not that my motherboard's actually got any, because it's out the arc. There's the nice tempered glass side panel, and then I think this all opens as a big door, so it should be okay to. No, I'm just gonna put that back how it was. So yeah, let's start breaking the old one apart.
you know what I'm a fan of? This technology.
That's what I'm doing. Let's get this open. Where's my most useful part of a PC build, a spatula.
Isn't it like a wallpaper scraper?
Yeah, it's for getting stuff off the build plate.
Well, yeah, if you need it for a 3D printer.
3D printer. If you get that reference, you win a sweetie. Right then, let's have a look. I did have a bit of a look online, and it looks like the only difference between the Lite and the normal MasterLiquid is it just doesn't have RGB, so which is quite nice. And I could have risked the motherboard on that, couldn't I? Jaw slot. There's a fan. I'm a fan of those. Fan. Anyway, these are high static pressure fans, and they are also trippy as trippy as balls. But they've got the nice rubber bits on as well to stop it from vibrating, which is quite nice. Potentially, I'm going to use, if I've got enough fans and enough screws, potentially might do a push-pull. So we'll see how it goes.
I would, because you can use the two big. You could use it at the front with the two big 200mm fans.
Yeah, man. Right then. Instructions. We don't need instructions, yes we do. There's the block. And got it. This is what I like about the Cooler Master ones, is that it's a beefier. It's a beefier pump, and where the fluid comes in and the fluid goes out, there's two separate chambers, so it keeps the hot liquid away from trying to contaminating the cool liquid, so it helps cool better, or so Cooler Master say. But then benchmarks I've seen on the websites, a few things I've been looking up, and it's actually pretty good. This is actually supposed to be cooler than a H500i, which is Corsair, which is not bad. So let's have a go at fitting this bugger. Okay, just a quick tip: if you can get hold of one of these, not sponsored by Silvertronic or whatever I can't even see what it is, a magnetic parts tray. What was supposed to happen was this. Very useful. Okay, there we have it. Here's the completed build. It's the next day because unfortunately we ran out of daylight and ran out of hours, hence the continuity error. But yeah, went together really well. Really well designed case. I really like it. On the back, I think you're probably seeing some of the footage, there's nice panels in the back, and there's a panel here that hides the power supply and your hard drives, and then you have one that hides your SSD there. So it looks pretty good. I think the a new power supply is on the cards, but because this one doesn't look that great. But either that or some maybe some cable mod extensions. I haven't decided yet. But let's get it plugged in and see how it looks. Okay, this is either going to be really glorious or really anticlimactic. Let's go. I heard the water go around the cooler.
Just need to get an RGB.
The lights on.
You need an RGB controller, I think. But the fans spin.
Oh, the Cooler Master lights up. Ah, there you go. This one I turned off.
Ah!
It's freaking on. Well, there we have it. There's a completed build. All the RGBs aren't working yet because I need to get a controller. So hopefully in one video coming up soon, I'll get the little RGB controller and do a bit of fiddling about with the software on that, and also I'll have a look into some cable mod cables or maybe another power supply. But so far that looks pretty mint. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I shall see you next time. Ta-ta!
I am the danger.